Relatives of the 34 mine workers killed by police in Marikana plan to take President Cyril Ramaphosa to court. They're demanding, among other things, an apology from the government over the 16th of August 2012 killings. Commemorative events were held yesterday at Marikana in the northwest and in Midrand in Gauteng. Malungelo Booi has that report.
These are some of the widows of mine workers who were brutally murdered on the 16th of August in 2012. They boarded a bus from the northwest to Gauteng for a commemorative ceremony. But for some, they believe the 16th of August should be observed as a public holiday to honor and remember their partners who were killed by the police.
I-holiday like umzekelo i-June 16 i-holiday kufanele ne-16 August ibe i-holiday kungasetshenzwa kungathiwa abantu bahambe baye emsebenzini wonke umuntu makahlale phansi ngelanga kungabikho nto semsebenzini because ngoku kuthiwa no work no pay.
On arrival in Midrand, the widows joined leaders from AMCU and civil society groups. AMCU President Joseph Matunjwa described the August 16th killings as an attack on economic emancipation.
As we continue commemorating these days year and after year, we should remember that we as South African, particular blacks, we are on our own.
The EFF says despite opening a criminal case against President Ramaphosa, whose name came up in the Falam Commission of Inquiry into the Marikana massacre, no efforts to prosecute him have been made.
We want to prosecute Ramaphosa through private prosecution. And we are making this call now, and we commit to give a report on progress we have made in the celebration of the 10th anniversary, where we'll report whether we're succeeding with private prosecution. It's 9 years since we opened the case. I opened the case myself at Marikana police station. No policeman has ever contacted me.
The widows say the fact that there has been no apology from the South African government means it does not care.
And it has now become clear that all this falls into deaf ears, and the promises of apologies and all sorts of things which were made are not going to be met. As a result of that, we have now asked the Deputy Judge President of the court to set down the case against Mr. Ramaphosa and Sibanye. We were instructed, we have now replaced Lonmin with Sibanye in terms of the rules of court, and we expect it might even be today or in the next few days to get a response as to when that case will happen. And it will be in that case that, as somebody said earlier, we will not simply be asking for money, but we're asking for what I call the non-pecuniary retribution and compensation in the form of apologies, in the form of undertakings that this will not happen again.
Other speakers at the ceremony also used the event to call on South Africans at large not to treat the fateful 16th of August as just another day. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Malungelo Booi in Johannesburg.